Sir, stop. Stop.
What?
Stop. If you keep walking away. Come here right now. Don't make me put hands on you, dude.
No, I haven't done that. I haven't done that.
Stop. We'll figure it out.
No.
On the 5th of June, 2025, Chicago officers arrested a man for shoplifting 5 packages of meat near 95th and Campbell. This encounter activates 5 legally significant frameworks. First, the Terry stop. Under Terry v. Ohio, 1968. A brief investigatory detention requires only reasonable, articulable suspicion. The store employee's dispatch call was based on direct personal observation under Alabama v. White, 1990. This carries elevated reliability well above the minimum RAS threshold. The subject's attempt to continue walking after stop commands contributes further under Illinois v. Wardlow, 2000. Second, the pre-arrest admission. During the store employee confrontation, the subject stated, "I got those 3 before any formal arrest and without any Miranda advisement." Under Berkemer v. McCarty, 1984, Miranda rights attach only upon formal custody. A Terry investigatory detention does not constitute formal custody. Statements made during a Terry stop are therefore fully admissible without Miranda protection. This pre-arrest admission, combined with the store's account and the items remaining in the bag, completed the probable cause picture under Illinois v. Gates, 1983.
On 35 has a subject walking southbound, 95 Campbell. I'm Planet Fitness. Sir, stop. Stop.
What?
Stop. If you keep walking away. Come here right now. Don't make me put hands on you, dude.
No, I haven't done that. I haven't done that.
Stop. We'll figure it out.
No, figure what out?
You're detained.
I'm detained for what? What am I detained for? Sir? Wait. Sir, I ain't got no toes. I ain't got no toes.
Relax.
I ain't got no toes.
Relax. Relax.
I don't have any
Okay.
toes.
Relax.
I don't have any toes, sir.
Relax.
Sir, give me my shoe.
You need to relax.
Give me my shoe, sir.
Relax. Relax.
Man,
Keep moving.
Give my shoe, sir.
Keep
Let me
moving.
get my shoe.
He's stealing.
I'm not
Keep
stealing.
moving.
I'm not stealing nothing. I haven't stolen anything.
Sir, I'm gonna sit you down if you don't relax.
OJ, come on, bro. You got the stuff, bro.
I ain't got nothing. You took the bag.
Bro, you got the meat in the bag.
I ain't got nothing in the bag.
Sir, don't make me sit you down. I'm not trying to hurt you.
I'm not doing nothing. I haven't done nothing.
Relax.
I haven't done nothing. I did steal nothing.
Okay, well that's what we're here to figure out.
So let me get my shoe on.
We will.
Let me get my shoe. Sir, let me get my shoe on.
Stop.
Let me get my shoe.
Stop. I'll put the shoe on for you. We're not trying to hurt you, okay?
Just relax.
Sir,
It's over. It's over.
I haven't done nothing.
Stop.
Don't make you took the money, bro. I told you that. Let me get the stuff. So
I did give it to you.
Put some more stuff in there. I meant to say. I didn't make the call. I meant to say. That's all I'm trying to do.
Sir, let's get my shoe, man.
Stop.
Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting.
Yes, you are. Stop pulling away.
Put on my shoe, man. Putting on my shoe.
It's over.
I know that.
Stop moving.
Stop.
Then why am I
Trying to
being
pull
the
away.
same? haven't done nothing.
What's wrong with you?
I tried to get so you don't have to go through all this. The store director called me. Got a meeting now.
That's my receipt in the bag.
Have a seat.
So if you have a receipt, why are you
It's
doing
in
all
the
this?
bag.
You simply show me the receipt,
I
and then we
give
go
my
from
shoe.
there. You don't act like a clown. Do all this.
That's
fussing.
mine. So all that stuff is mine.
This is right here.
Just that me?
Yeah.
No, sir. That's I gave you already.
Yeah, he had 4 of them. He had 3 other packages. I got those 3. The store director, the one who made the call.
So 5 altogether?
5 altogether. I got double stuff in a row.
Sir, why y'all handling me like this?
Because you.
I handicap.
So you need to stop moving.
Okay,
Pretty good and resisting pretty
sir, I ain't got no damn toes, sir. I just told you that. He's not pressing charges, all right? He's not pressing charges.
I don't know. We're gonna find that out.
He's not pressing
We're gonna
charges.
go to my car right here.
Sir, let me get my
Well,
case.
I'll grab it for you, okay?
Thank you.
It's not going nowhere.
Sir, stop handling me like this.
I will as soon as you stop pulling away and we're cooperating.
Sir, please, let me go.
It's up to the store. You know, you made this into something that really didn't
I
have
ain't
to.
do nothing, sir.
You stole 5 packages of meat.
I just steal nothing.
Have a seat. Have a seat.
I ain't steal nothing.
All the way in.
All the way in for what? I haven't done nothing.
Do you need me to pull you back?
Sir, I
You want to
haven't
get
done
in on
nothing.
your own?
Huh?
The store said you stole 5
I
packages
did not
of meat.
steal no
Do
5.
you want to listen or do you want to yell?
I hadn't stole nothing.
I'm trying to tell you what the guy just said, even though you stood right there.
I heard what he
Move
said.
back. Yeah, he said you took 5 packages, you gave 3, and you kept 2. Now move back.
So I didn't steal nothing.
That's called stealing.
So I just steal nothing.
Just put your feet in. We'll figure it out.
So where am I going now?
Right now, just here.
Yeah, my cane, please.
You already have your cane. It's not going
It's
nowhere.
not going anywhere.
I mean,
Put your feet in.
it's hot here, sir.
We'll roll down the windows.
Get your air as soon as you get your feet in.
I haven't done nothing, sir.
Okay. I don't know how better to explain. You stole 5 packages
I
of
did
meat.
not steal 5
Okay?
packages of meat.
Well, that's what. Okay. Then we'll go with that's what the store's saying you did. All right.
Okay.
Okay. We'll agree to that. Just gonna back up a little bit.
Would you let the window
Yeah. Shut up. I will. Stop screaming.
down? Hot here.
So what time are we at?
Where am I going?
Right now, we're just backing around the corner. You wanted to create this big scene. If you just would have stopped, maybe you just would have been ticketed. Right now, the store's going to see what the manager wants.
Huh? Right now, what?
That guy's going to go see what his manager wants to do. All right? But you created this big whole thing where you made it into something it didn't have to.
What I'm making it into?
When you start pulling away from this officer, when you won't, you start screaming and yelling. When the police stop and detain you, you are not free to go. Do you got an ID on you?
No, I don't.
I think leads this down, even though the computers are back. What's your first name?
I don't have a name.
You don't have a name. Okay, well then you're definitely going in because we have to know who you are.
My name's Augustus Sims.
Spell your last name.
S-I-M-S.
Sims?
Yeah.
Spell your first.
Augustus. August and L-U-S.
Middle initial?
I don't have one.
Date of birth? Born in Illinois?
No, I haven't done nothing, sir.
Okay, how long do we want to play this game of you haven't done anything and I tell you exactly what the store is accusing you?
Still there.
You said there's complaints? Okay.
Have my water in the back, please. Have my water. My juice, sir.
We'll get you one.
Your middle
In the back.
initial R?
Yeah.
Okay, so when I say, what's your middle initial, and you go, you don't have one, there's another lot. You still live on 52nd?
Yeah.
Okay, so they're signing, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll follow you in just a minute.
Tell you what, where did it tell you?
The store's signing complaints against you for retail theft. Now, shut up, and I will tell you what's going to happen now.
What's gonna happen?
As long as it's a misdemeanor, as long as you don't do something stupid in lockup like fight us, you're just going to get paperwork. You sit for a little bit, and you'll be released on no cash bail if it's a misdemeanor. Now, if you do something stupid, if you want to be a pain in the ass, if you want to draw this out longer and longer and longer, you could pick up some charges that aren't cite notice release.
Third, the retail theft charge. Under 720 ILCS, Section 516-25, concealment of merchandise in a bag constitutes prima facie evidence of intent to commit retail theft. The subject took 5 packages, returned 3 when confronted, and retained 2. The partial return does not negate the completed offense under Illinois law. Retail theft is complete the moment merchandise is concealed with intent. The charge level depends on the total full retail value of all 5 packages. Under $300 is a Class A misdemeanor. $300 or more is a Class 3 felony. Fourth, and the most legally distinctive element of this case, the Illinois Pretrial Fairness Act. Effective the 18th of September, 2023, Illinois became the first state in the United States to completely eliminate cash bail under 725 ILCS, Section 5/110. The officer's on-camera statement, "You'll be released on no cash bail," is a direct, accurate application of this landmark reform. For a non-detainable misdemeanor retail theft, the subject is entitled to a notice to appear and release from the station, regardless of financial status. This is not a loophole, it is the intended operation of the statute. Fifth, Miranda sequencing. The officer explicitly announced that Miranda rights would be administered at the station before any formal questioning, and that the subject could choose whether to give a statement. This pre-announcement exceeds the minimum constitutional requirement and reflects exemplary procedural practice under Miranda v. Arizona. 1966. The physical detention of a subject with a significant disability, no toes, cane dependent, is evaluated under Graham v. Connor. 1989. Officers' repeated accommodation of his physical condition throughout the detention is consistent with the Graham reasonableness standard and the ADA obligations applicable to law enforcement.
Yeah, that's better.
So I haven't done nothing, sir.
Central 2920.
So what's gonna happen?
Me en route with one male adult. And I may have missed it if someone else said it. I know the computers are back, but it leads down.
So what's gonna happen, sir?
You're going to the station now.
For what?
Okay, I'm going to once again explain every single thing that's happening right now.
Okay.
Right now, you're under arrest for retail theft. Okay, shoplifting. So what's going to happen now, we're going to the station. We're going to inventory your personal property. You're going to take fingerprints and a photograph. Then you're going to sit for a little bit while the detectives do the complaints. And as long as it's a couple packages of meat, unless it's you got something crazy in your history or something else goes on, you're just going to get what's called a cite and notice. We're just going to get paperwork with your court date and release from the station. So that wait, listen. That's what's happening right now. If you do something stupid like fight, resist, and you want to pick up felony charges, you do not leave today. So right now, I would just keep your mouth shut, answer whatever questions we have about who you are, then we'll give you your Miranda rights. You can give a statement if you want or you don't want to. And like I said, you sit, you get your paperwork and released. If you start this fucking bullshit about if you put your hands on us, if you resist us, you might pick up felony charges, which means you do not get, listen to me, which means you do not get released today. Right now, you're looking at, as far as I can tell, a misdemeanor retail theft, which you will just get cite noticed and released from our station for no money. I explained to you over and over and over again. The store has said you stole 5 packages of meat from you, okay? That is why you're here. They want to sign complaints on you. Jim, just take it slow. Like I said, what's done is done, so we'll make this smooth as possible. We got you. Once we get in there, take the cuffs off. Which leg's bad?
Both of them, man.
What do you got? What's the issues?
No toes, man.
All right. All right, as soon as we get in, like I said, just have a seat.
Augustus R. Sims was arrested for retail theft under 720 ILCS 516-25. Under the Pretrial Fairness Act, he was to receive a cite and notice release. A resisting detention charge under 720 ILCS 531-1 may apply. Case resolution is unknown. All suspects are presumed innocent. Officers receive an A-. The legal foundation was sound throughout. The comprehensive on-camera explanation of charges, booking, the Pretrial Fairness Act, and Miranda sequencing is among the most transparent and legally accurate officer explanations documented in this series. The sole deduction: one profane word during the formal explanation. The subject receives a D. The theft, the evasion, the initial refusal to identify, the physical resistance, and the failure to produce a claimed receipt each represent independent legal failures. The partial return of 3 packages demonstrates consciousness of guilt, not a good faith dispute over ownership. Importantly, the subject's sustained noncompliance escalated a situation where the officer explicitly noted cooperation might have resulted in a citation rather than arrest. The merchant receives a B+. The employee's personal identification, on-scene confrontation, and side complaints enabled every subsequent legal step. 3 lessons. 1. In Illinois, eliminating cash bail does not mean eliminating accountability. The Pretrial Fairness Act replaces money with a risk-based framework. A misdemeanor shoplifter receives a notice to appear, not a free pass. 2. Pre-arrest admissions made during a Terry detention require no Miranda advisement and are fully admissible at trial under Berkemer v. McCarty. Silence during a Terry stop is always available, but voluntary statements are not shielded. 3. Returning stolen merchandise after being caught does not erase the completed offense. Under 700, let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.